Did you know that every minute we generate an unbelievable 2.5 quintillion bytes of data? That's enough information to fill a fleet of jumbo jets soaring to the sky. But fear not, fellow adventurers, because we've got the ultimate guide to help you navigate through this data-infused wilderness. Hold on tight. We're about to take off on a thrilling journey into the extraordinary world of data analytics. Brace yourself as we share the 5 tips to choose the right data analytics course in 2023. The first and most important is to check an industry-relevant curriculum. It's time to equip yourself with the tools of the trade. Choose a data analytics course that's crafted by maestros of the industry. Learn the latest techniques, unravel cutting-edge technologies, and transform into a data wizard ready to conquer the analytics realm. But hold your horses. Knowledge alone won't lead you to the hidden treasures of data. Prepare to unlock the power of hands-on experience. Get your hands dirty, my adventurous friends. Dive into the immersive world of practical projects and case studies. Battle real-world challenges head-on and emerge victorious, armed with skills and insights needed to tame even the wildest data beasts. We all know that time is of the essence, and we understand that life can be a wild roller coaster ride. Whether you're a busy professional juggling multiple tasks or a student facing the trials of academia, choose a course that bends and flexes to fit your schedule. With weekday or weekend batches and self-paced learning, you'll have the power to conquer time itself. This is where flexibility is a must look out for. But remember, no great adventure is complete without the bonds of companionship. Prepare to forge alliances with networking. Welcome to the tribe of data enthusiasts, where connections are forged and knowledge is shared. Join a community of fellow explorers, rubbing shoulders with industry veterans and experts. Engage in captivating webinars, thrilling events, and fiery discussions that will ignite your passion for data analytics. And finally, we unveil the most invaluable secret of all: post-course support. Your quest of data mastery doesn't end with a simple certificate. Choose a course that offers lifelong support and granting you access to a treasure trove of course materials and the guidance of wise mentors. Arm yourself with the tools you need to conquer any future data quests that come your way. So data thrill seekers, are you ready to begin your grand adventure? Follow these 5 tips and make an informed decision that will change the course of your destiny. Imarticus Learning is your trusted partner, providing you with the courses, mentorship, and the tools to pave your path to success. Check out the link in the description to know more about the interview-guaranteed postgraduate program in data science and analytics offered by us. The data universe awaits you.